The Hero apps support many different providers, but you may have a situation where you want to do the work locally, perhaps to keep your information confidential. In the next video, I'll take you through the steps to setting everything up to run locally, but first, let's talk about what's involved. Ideally, you'll be running at least an 11th generation PC, circa 2020. For even faster results, a modern graphics card such as an NVIDIA RTX or AMD card that supports ROCm. Yes, it's possible to do it with a lesser PC, graphics card combination, but it'll take much longer to get results. The Hero apps that support working locally relies on the following three technologies to make this happen. Ollama, which makes it possible to run large language models locally. WebUI, which is an interface that adds RAG or retrieval augmented generation to your large language model to get better translation results, and Docker, which runs the WebUI container. To install these technologies, you'll need administrator access to proceed. If you're working off of a company-issued PC, you'll likely need to work with your IT department to get the necessary permissions. Depending on your company, you may also find that they have some of these technologies already deployed. In the next video, we'll start by installing Ollama, pull down a large language model, install Docker, and install WebUI. After checking that all three are working, I'll take you through the easy part of configuring the Hero apps to work locally.
While you wait for the next video to start playing, why not check out the other Hero apps? Designed by an instructional designer to make e-learning development less tedious, be sure to visit Thor's Hero app YouTube channel for more information.